here we are being provided the problem statement where it is consideration of the ARMA process generated by the difference equation, which is given to us x of n is equal to 1.6 times x of n minus 1 minus 0.63 into x of n minus 2 added by w of n added by 0.9 times w of n minus 1 here. We are having two parts to find the solution to. The first part is part A, where we are asked to determine the system function of the whitening filter and its poles and zeros here. And in the part B, we are asked to determine the power density spectrum of x of n here. So let us first of all determine the system function of the whitening filter and its corresponding pole and zeros here. So as we find the solution to part A, we shall be making the use of h of z first of all, which is equal to 1 plus 0.9 into z to the power minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1.6 into z to the power minus 1 added by 0.63 into z to the power minus 2. Whereas for the condition of whitening filter, we have to invert this and we shall be denoting it as h to the power minus 1 of z. This is equal to the denominator from the previous equation will become the numerator here. It is 1 minus 1.6 into z to the power minus 1 added by 0.63 into z to the power minus 2. Whereas the current denominator, it will be 1 plus 0.9 into z to the power minus 1. So from the expression of the filter function in z transform domain for the whitening case here, we have the zeros extracted. Zeros denoted by z is equal to the value 0.7 and 0.9, whereas the pole value will be z is equal to minus 0.9. So this will be the solution to part A of the problem statement. Now let us focus our attention to find solution for part B here. So in the part B, we were asked to find the power spectral density for the discrete time random process x of n. So here it is, we are having the representation by capital gamma suffix xx of w here. This is equal to the variance sigma suffix w sigma squared in multiplication to the filter function h of w into h of minus w. So this can be expressed as the variance sigma suffix w sigma squared in multiplication to the ratio where numerator is the mod square of 1 plus 0.9 times e to the power minus j omega, whereas the denominator is mod square of 1 minus 1.6 times e to the power minus j omega added by 0.63 into e to the power minus 2 j omega. So this is the required expression for the power spectral density for the discrete time random process x of n here. So this completes our problem 3, linear prediction and optimum linear filters.